Did you know you can rinse this filter so that it lasts longer? For best performance, regularly wash the filter. Really? Wow, I didn't know that.
Really? Really?
They say the words this filter, but what filter? There's two of them. They don't show any picture. I mean, look at that. They say this filter. Which filter are you on about? It says Vax Air Stretch Pet Max. High performance, lightweight, extensive. You know, I'm not going to read this. You can read it for yourself, can't ya? I'm sure you hate my voice. What a disgusting voice. I'm just going to shut up so you can read it. So that's one side of the box. The other side, pretty much the same info all the way around. So inside of the box, first of all, we have Vax Air Stretch, the ultimately boring bedtime reading manual. So basically, I already got one of these. Let me just put it on the tripod while I talk to you guys. So I already got one of these. It's a Vax Air Reach, yeah? And basically, you know what, it's actually really tatty. And I thought, you know what, it stinks, it makes a howling noise, and it's just proper in bad condition. So I might use that for mess tests while I treat myself to a new one. This was on offer, so it's a very cheap vacuum. So in the box of contents, you can see what we've got here. The first thing out is the turbo brush. I'm actually glad mine looks normal, because on the website there was a weird looking version of this. Same thing, but on the front, yeah, there was like these weird girls' fingernails on the front, like some witch's claws on that on the front. So I'm glad mine doesn't have that. I don't know why they have that anyway. Probably some rubber fingers to aid with pet hair removal, I don't know. But anyway, it is the turbo brush, pretty much the same design that they've used for the past 10-15 years since the Turbo Force. The brush bar is absolutely soft. You can't even hear me bending these bristles, look. That's how soft they are. You can brush your teeth with this. Squirt a bit of toothpaste on there, then brush your teeth with it. Better than an electric toothbrush. No, I'm only joking, don't do that. But same design. The only thing I can notice that is different is that the design here, there's two screws now. With the older version, there was a ring or a clip around the neck, which you just remove, and the whole panel comes off for easy cleaning. So that's a bit of a step down now. Don't know why they made it screwed on. So that's the turbo brush. Next in their box of contents, I'm just gonna take it out the camera. So we have the Mattress Tool, which is the long, skinny. Wow, look, guys, I bought a Vax. Yeah, brilliant Vax quality, well done. I'm so glad I bought a Vax. Look at this. If that came off in transit, imagine that in use. That is definitely going to come off. That ain't going to last. That is not going to last. I'm going to show you this one first, actually. So this is the 3-in-1 tool that they've got. So it's a Crevice Tool with a removable brush attachment. That's actually quite stiff, actually, if I'm honest, compared to the Dyson one. So I'm not really comfortable with using that for dusting delicate surfaces. So you can have that brush option. Press that button, the brush comes off for easy crevice cleaning, like in between your car seats and that. And then you can flip this around to attach it this way. Look at that, came off again. So you can use it as a stair tool, like that. Yeah, so this is the mattress tool I was telling you about earlier, before I got disrupted by the amazing Vax quality. I was fascinated by the Vax quality that I just seen. Anyway, this is the mattress tool, which is just a basic. Hold on. Oh, I thought it was dusty, but it's actually brand new. But anyway, it might just be factory dust on the inside. It's just a mattress tool which is wide and thin. It looks like a wet vacuum's water extraction tool, but it's just for a mattress. So that's that. It's non-branded as well, so it looks like a fake eBay attachment. And lastly, there's this little adapter, which I think they've included because the attachment probably don't fit onto the end of the hose. We'll see, but the idea is you put it onto the end of the attachment and then connect that onto the end of the hose, so you can use the attachment like that. Now we remove the cardboard, which reveals the handle. I'll show you that in a second. The stretch hose down there. And the vacuum with the very long cable. And is that it? Yeah, that's it. So let me just tidy this up and I'll show you that. Assembling your vac is very easy peasy lemon squeezy. You grab the extension hose, as you can see, like that, which is this thing here. You put this end onto the bottom of the side here, snap it into the top like that, and that's done. Okay, grab your handle. Oh yeah, by the way, the handle is, look, it feels wobbly. Look, I'm worried about this quality, you know, this Vac's quality. They used to have a 6-year guarantee, yeah, but they've reduced it all the way down to 1 year. So what does that say about Vacs for the same vacuum? So it telescopes like so, like a Dyson telescope for each wand. That's it really. It's got a nice rubber grip here, which I do like. I wish Dyson would incorporate that into their vacuums. Nice metal wand. I'm just worried about this wand breaking though, that's all. So anyway, the wand slides in to the top of the vacuum. Here. Here we click, like so, and that's it. Look how much it wobbles. That's literally with no effort at all. I'm worried that's going to break, you know. Yeah, anyway, the 3-in-1 attachment goes on to the back. So you just snap that into here. It's proper slippery, it is. There we go. And that's it. You wind your cable up with the 2 cable hooks here and the upper one. I'm not going to do it yet though, because I'm not going to do it because I really can't be bothered. It's a long cable though, which I do like. Look at this cable though. Proper flat. What a stupid cable. Why can't it be around? This is definitely going to twist. My old one has, so why isn't this one on a twist? And it doesn't feel nice when you're wrapping it up around here as well. It just, you can feel it twisting as you wrap the cable around. It's just stupid. The cable length nice though, I'll give it that. But that's it. This is the Vax Air Stretch Pet Max. Quick overview on this marvelous vacuum cleaner. So let me just quickly test this out first. Yeah. So basically the hose, right? This oh, it's a bit stiff. Let me just grab this one. It's brand new, everything's stiff. So this goes onto the end of it. That's supposed to go onto the end of there, but look, that is loose. What's the point of that? Doesn't go on the other way, so definitely goes on one way, but that is literally proper loose. So if I put this on, you can tell that's on properly, yeah? Look how tight I put it on. I put this on, like that. Look, you can hear it smacking onto the end. That is obviously tight, look. That falls off. What's the point of that adapter? It's stupid. Will that fit though? They include it for... Okay, so that does fit. So you don't need the stupid adapter. I don't know why they included that. So, I mean, it fits on fine. The attachments fit on fine. So, out of the box, it was like this. These vents are open, okay? So you can select your floor type. This is actually quite stiff. Yeah. So you can adjust the suction for depending on your carpet type. So if you got low pile carpet, you put it onto that setting. Medium pile carpet, you put it about here. Deep pile carpet, you put it onto there. It's literally just a bleed valve. That's all it is. So there's holes here which leak suction, and this just covers it if you want more suction. And there you go. That's all it is. Nothing special. You've got this window here, so you can see the brush bar very nicely. I like that feature. That was from my carpet, that string anyway. So you've got this nice felt pad underneath, which is like a Dyson. You got a brush bar with very stiff bristles. Well, no. Okay bristles. If you know me, you know how much I'm obsessed with the stiffness of bristles, okay? This is not very stiff. It's okay, alright? It's just nice and dense, so it does groom. It grooms very nicely. And the brush bar, it's not coloured anymore. The older version, it had purple on the brush bar. So this is quite a step down in terms of aesthetics. Cosmetically, that's not nice. I don't like that. What's that paint there? What's that paint for? Look. Is that Tipex or something? Is that Tipex? I have no idea. Mine, I forget it. But look, I don't like how it's greyed out yet. It looks a bit weird. It looks better than I thought in real life. Okay, I was aware of the brush bar. I thought it was going to be black, but it's actually grey, so it does match. Alright. That's what it is. It just goes to show that they're cost cutting again. I mean, look. They could have coloured it, but they haven't. So, cost cutting in that you can tell by the beautiful quality that the stair tool is top tier. This brush bar is brightly coloured, and the warranty has extended from 5 years to 1 year. I mean 6 years to 1 year. Seriously, please fix up Vax. Vax has potential, you know. They actually do have potential, but their products, they're not on Dyson's level, do you know what I mean? Yeah. This thing performs well. It cleans carpets very well. I'll do a demo on this at some point. You'll have to stay tuned for that, so definitely subscribe for that. Click the bell notification to be notified. I'm not in the video here though. I'm just rambling on, sorry. But anyway, this is the hose attachment. You press that clip and then that comes off. It's a stupidly short hose, but you can attach the hose onto the end of the hose. So what I don't like about this, yeah, is that you have to bend over to pull the hose out, okay? Whereas with the Dyson, it's literally you pull the red part out and you've literally got a wand and hose ready to reach up the stairs. With this, you have to bend over, pull this separate hose out, attach that until it clicks. So you've got that attachment, yeah? And then you have to press this to remove the wand, put that onto the end, and then you're ready. Okay, what a pain to use. And then when you're done, press that, slot this back in until it clicks. Okay, disconnect that, put this away onto the side. I like how it's on the side, not separate, so you have to, basically it's on board basically. I like that. And then you have to attach this by bending over again and then reattaching it onto the cleaner head. I wish they had improved that design to make it a bit more user friendly, because I don't like that hose in one setup. It's ridiculous. So anyway, you've got the clear hose, it's see-through, so you can see for any blockages, which is nice, but it will get dirty though. Very nice rubber coated wheels still, so I'm glad about that. Very nice. Dyson needs to do that. So +1 for Vax there. Push this catch on the top of the Cyclone and the whole bin and Cyclone unit comes off. Press that button, then it empties out. Twist that, the filter comes out, which looks very much like a Dyson DC2425 filter in orange. That literally looks like it, you know, apart from that being different. But yeah, literally a Dyson looking filter. You've got the Cyclones here, which somehow don't work. You know what? Cyclones have to be a certain size and diameter for them to work properly. Vax, they've got the Cyclones here, but they still don't work as well as Dysons. So they're missing a trick there. That's the bin. What I do like is that the Cyclone can be taken apart. So you twist this ring here, then the shroud will pop off. You can wash the shroud. Dyson needs to do that. What? Come on. Vax have done it. Why can't Dyson do it? Alright. You can literally wash this whole thing. So anyway, that goes on. Back on. Does it go one way? Yeah, like that. There we go. The semicircle shape goes into there, mates into that gap. Filter on the top. Yeah, so you wash that filter. How often? Every month or something? I don't know. Yeah, there's instructions on there as well telling you how to do it. The post motor filter is in here. there's the literature. Twist this off and then, yeah, beautiful and white. That will get black with use though, with dust and carbon dust and all sorts. I'm not sure you can wash this. Oh, you can wash them. Alright, that's cool then. Yeah, say no more. It's got a seal around it. I'm not sure if I trust this as a HEPA filter though. I'll have to see with more use if there's going to be any dust buildup around the rim. So anyway, if you're considering getting one of these, it's a good budget vacuum. Definitely go for it. But don't expect it to last though, because I've seen so many of these with power failures and brush bar problems where long hair. If you got long hair, definitely avoid this model because hair builds up in the end caps and it just melts and it makes a burning smell. So it's not really the best machine. It's pretty powerful though for its price range. It's one of the most powerful vacuums you can get on the market actually in the UK. Literally, it's amazing for its price with its performance. It cleans very well. This vacuum is 820 watts. Not 700 watts like a Dyson. But it's still pretty quiet. I'm not going to try it yet. I'm going to try it in the next video. So that's the power switch. And that's the brush bar control. And that's all there is for the Vax Air Stretch Pet Max. Thank you for watching this unboxing. I'll be back with the demo. And my other version of this, my older version, will be used for big mess tests. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.